Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study English in Class 12. To excel, first understand the exam pattern and marking scheme thoroughly. Focus on building strong reading comprehension and effective writing skills. Make sure to practice grammar and expand your vocabulary regularly. Also, review all your literary texts, paying close attention to themes and character analysis. This comprehensive approach will set you up for success. To master reading, consistently read various texts to boost your comprehension speed and accuracy. Practice unseen passages daily, timing yourself to improve efficiency. For writing, learn the specific formats for different tasks, like letters and articles. Focus on developing clear, concise, and persuasive writing, ensuring your arguments are well supported and descriptions are vivid. This practice is key. For grammar, revise all fundamental rules, paying special attention to tenses, voice, and reported speech. Actively expand your vocabulary by learning new words and understanding their correct usage in sentences. When studying literature, analyze the literary devices used in poems and prose. Deeply understand character development, plot structures, and the underlying messages of each text for a thorough grasp. For effective revision, consistently solve previous year's question papers to familiarize yourself with the exam style. Practice writing timed answers to improve both your speed and the presentation of your responses. Identify any weak areas in your understanding and dedicate extra practice time to strengthen them. Remember to maintain a positive mindset and manage any exam stress effectively for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.